So I just got up. I want to give you the true, what it looks like to do a daily. A daily is something that you do every single day for 1 month, and I try to change it up on the first. So on the first of the month for the RollerSizeR Fit Club members, this is what you get complimentary of your club membership, is the daily. So today, I got out of bed, I felt like a truck ran over me. I'm really stiff, but I'm gonna do my daily. So it's on the board. It's, I start with 6 whittles, and I'm using a yellow RollerSizeR. And so you can have a little bit of contrast. 6 whittles. Now, let's say you have some back troubles. Normally in the morning, my back is a little bit stiff. So I put it right underneath my waistline and I hang out, and I got my coffee right there, and I just let it kind of do its natural acupressure little thing, because the foam roller has a little stiffness to it. So I'm going to whittle. I'm going to go 6 of them. Look at that, 6 whittles. Okay, that, okay, and pretty good actually. I'm feeling pretty good in the back today. Okay, now I'm gonna move it down to point placement number 5, which is right underneath my glutes. 6 hip whittles with a leg press. So I hit it and I push down on my leg. I hit it and I push down on my leg. I hit it and I push down. My shoulders down, and I do 2 more. Oh, it's that little adjustment. Look at that, free chiropractic work. 6 cans. I put it underneath my knees. I had an injury in my knees. I squeeze down, and I take one leg up, and I stretch it, and I press down on the other one. So my knee is getting some wake up morning therapy. 1 can. Can you just see the dress? Can, but I got the boxers on. Can and can. Okay, so it's 6 cans. 6 float my boat balance. So this is the yoga moment. It's a beautiful yoga day. Float my boat balance. So I'm going to stretch my legs and I'm floating my boat. So that gets me right up there. Got the biceps going. I count to 6. Okay, float my boat balance. 6 side crank crunch. You flip it, point placement 2, you round into the C curve, you bring your legs up, I turn to the left. Crank, 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 crank. I'm already waking up. 3, 4, 5, 6, done. 6, the L hamstring stretch. Healthy knees, healthy back, healthy calves, healthy hams. Lift up out of my soup bowl of hips. I throw it over point placement number 7, and I pull. Feels pretty good. Okay, the daily is not what you, it adds to what you do. So if you like bike riding or going to the gym or doing a yoga class, this is your daily. 2 zombie up and downs. Okay, so sometimes in the morning, I do feel like a zombie. I cross my legs, I squeeze my legs. That means I'm squeezing the pelvic floor. You know, the hand signals for the pelvic floor. Put the RollerSizeR behind my neck. I'm going to give you the zombie eyes. I take it down really slow. Oh, nice. And then I come. Yeah. Now, when you do the zombie, the key when you get down low is you got to squeeze the you-know-what, and you don't want to lose the connection. Just 2 zombie ups and downs. 2 side picnic bends. So here I am, having a picnic in the bends. So see, big dress on. Okay, I'm going to try to bend. So I'm going to put the RollerSizeR on my foot, and I'm going to use this arm. Count to 6. And I'm going to do the other side. Side's tighter. This side's tighter. Look at this. But in 30 days it won't be. And then the night twist. Okay, so I'm not a knight. I'm more like, I think I'm more like a princess. I put my leg up. Okay, and that kneecap right? It's okay. You want to be on a kneecap, and you twist. Okay? And you slip that in, slip that one out, and you twist. Okay, that feels pretty good. Then I go down and I lift my tushy up and I walk my hands to my feet. See, could be like what? Downward dog. I walk my hands. I'm holding the balls using my hands. Drop my head. There's the elephant. Look at that. Elephant, giraffe, roll-ups. Long neck. And I'm off to play tennis. That's the daily. Do it every single day, and then we change it up, and it keeps you, I feel great. Next time.